Om Gam Ganadipate Namah. I salute the moon, whose color is that of curd, conch, and snow, who emerged out of the Milky Ocean and who bedecks the tuft of Lord Shiva. Matsya Purana describes moon as white in color, wearing white clothes, with chariot drawn by 10 horses, bearing a mace in one hand and with the other bestowing grace of his devotees. Bhagwan Sri Krishna is an incarnation of moon. Synonyms of moon are Chandra, Sasi, Sasanka, Vidu, Soma, Nisakara, Sitamasu, Udunta, Indu, Rajanipati, Ratrisa, and Kumudunipati. Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra says about moon as increasing waxing moon of Shukla Paksha is benefic, decreasing waning moon of Krishna Paksha is malefic. The average daily motion of moon is 13 to 15 degrees. Even in waning state, when aspected by a conjunct a benefic, she becomes benefic. Moon is the mind. Moon is of royal status, tawny, female, Vaishya or merchant, very windy, phlegmatic, learned, has a round body, has auspicious looks, sweet speech, is fickle-minded and very lustful. Adidevata for moon is Varunadeva. Dhatus assigned to moon is blood. Planetary abode of moon is at watery place. Muhurta is governed by moon, that is 48 minutes. Saline in taste, strong in north and during night and during Uttarayana. Digbali in 4th house, northwest direction is ruled by moon. Rules milky trees like rubber yielding plants etc. White silken clothes are governed by moon. New clothes are indicated by moon. Varsha Ritu is governed by moon. Gets exalted in Taurus, debilitated in Scorpio at 3 degrees. Rest of Taurus after 3 degrees is Mula Trikona. Cancer is her own sign. Friends are Sun and Mercury. Moon has no enemies. Neutral towards Mars, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. Has only 7th aspect, combusts within 12 degrees proximity to Sun. Some other important points. Symbol of moon indicates that moon does not shine with its own light, but reflects the light of light-giving energy flowing from the sun. The moon being a reflecting medium, it is incapable of causing any real harm on its own. The color of whiteness associated with it refers to the purity of its nature. It represents flawless pearl. Moon takes averagely 1 hour 48 minutes to go through a degree. Chandra signifies Vata, Kapha or wind and phlegm in body. Chandra rules breast, saliva, womb, water, blood, lymphatic and glandular systems. Bell metal is governed by Chandra. A person aged of 70 years can be seen as moon. Presiding deity of moon is goddess Parvati and Gauri Devi. Governs taste and tongue. Diseases caused by moon are sleeping disorders, drowsiness, lungs related asthma, diarrhea, lunacy, phlegmatic diseases, tastelessness, debility, digestive disorders, jaundice, impurity of blood, infantic troubles, danger from water, cholera and water diseases. I would like to give a note here. Moon is like the salt in the food, without which everything becomes tasteless, and if excessively used spoils the food. Same as mind, moods, emotions, if used more, spoils relationship. If not present, detached from life. Similarly, when we observe the characteristics assigned to moon, it rules watery element. In a way, 90% of the human body is water. If water percentage is less, this is the root this becomes the root cause of all diseases. Similarly, overthinking, stress, and aggressive emotions are the cause of modern day diseases. Water, when is less in body, leads to indigestion. Indigestion is one of the root cause of many diseases in the body. Also, earlier we discussed one point. The moon being a reflective medium, it does not cause any real harm on its own. It means that when moon is on its own, it is not causing any problem. But when moon is associated with any other graha, that leads to problems. That means our mind in itself is good, but when has a malefic influence on it or when negative thoughts come into it, it leads to problems. Few more aspects of moon. Moon signifies mother. It never retrogrades. It covers one of the 27 constellations of the zodiac in a day and thereby completes one revolution of the zodiac in about 29 days, which is approximate duration of the lunar month. In one school of approach, full moon period marks the end of a lunar month and beginning of the next month. It is called as Gaunamana. There is another school of approach in which the month ending with new moon day is called as Mukshamana. These are new lunar months. Characteristics of moon in few words: sattvic inclination, amiable nature, discriminating wisdom, plumpy but slim, black hair, beautiful eyes, virtuous and mild temperament, queen of planetary cabinet, has beautiful figure but unstable mind, logical outlook, indulgent in behavior, idle, humorous, sleepy, large-hearted, middle-aged, quick in action, indecisive, represents Tamil literature, rules Yavan countries, aquatic animals, rest, pleasure, peace, left eye of male, right eye of female, heart, abdomen, development of plant life, acid, public in general, strenuous labor signifies merchant society, profession related to theatres, agriculture, trades dealing with valuable articles found in water like fish, pearl, salt, etc. Lily flower, fame, facial luster, gracefulness, happiness, vehicles, mind, mental capabilities, intelligent, mental agility, nature of an individual, contentment, laziness, liquids, milk, curd, honey, eating, eating delicious fruits, fish, snakes, reptiles, flowers, perfumes, blossoms, fine clothes, crystals, silver, bronze, pearls, royal insignia, well, tank, lake, water bodies, pilgrimage, pleasures, splendor, shyness, modesty, mildness, kindness, love, lover, affection, royal flavor, white rice, sugar cane, salt, northwest direction, Brahmins, middle-aged person. Diseases represented by moon are like menstrual disorders, insomnia, consumption, watery diseases, diseases of shoulders. Moon's influence is cold, moist, phlegmatic, feminine, fruitful, and convertible in nature, according to her position. Naivedyam offered is ghee mixed sweet pudding. Crystal idol is suggested for moon. Thank you.